Hello, my name is Ramey Brown, and I am the owner and director of Bright Smiles Daycare. I've been using the ground level products for over 4 years now, and their products have lasted the wear and tear of 16 toddlers and preschoolers. I am a firm believer in American-made products, and I am so enthusiastic about the growth and the longevity of the ground levels products. I've used their standard cot sheets as well as their toddler cot sheets. And one of my favorite aspects of the sheets, one is the fact that I know that they can be custom made to any color or pattern that I like. And the other is that the ground level has created smocks for my employees. They've also created window coverings. So they are a company that I believe in. They're a company that I know stands by their product as well as the people who they serve. As a customer, I highly recommend Ground Level, and I appreciate all of the services that they've provided Bright Smiles Daycare.